In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Claude AI app from your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So I have my Claude app installed on my Windows computer, and we have a shortcut of it here on the taskbar, and I wish to remove it from my computer. So before you begin an installation, you need to make sure that the program is not running. So close your program. And once you have closed, head over to Control Panel option here on your Windows computer. However, if you don't have the Control Panel shortcut here, head to Start menu, then search for Control Panel. And you can see we have Control Panel here. It is under System. I'll proceed and click on it. Once it is open, look for this feature, Programs and Features. Click on it to open. This will list all the apps or programs that are running on your Windows computer. From the list, scroll down and look for Claude AI. And as you can see, mine is here. Click on it. And now we have an option to uninstall from here. If I choose uninstall, you will get another window where you have to confirm if indeed you want to install. Just click on yes. And by doing so, Claude will be uninstalled from your Windows computer. However, if you had pinned the app on your taskbar like I did here, if you double click on it, you'll be told that can't open this item. So this means the program has been uninstalled. So you need to right click on it and then unpin from taskbar. And if we go to the control panel, you can see we no longer have Claude AI among the list. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Claude AI from Windows computer or laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.